Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited because I am here at Saras Mela 2025 in PAU Ludhiana, one of the most vibrant and colorful cultural fair in India. Now if you have never been to a Saras Mela before, let me tell you, it's not just a fair, it is like experiencing mini India all in one place. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to the eastern state, every corner of our country is beautifully represented here. You will find stalls filled with amazing handmade craft, wooden artwork, hand woven textile, pottery, jewelry, and so much more. Each stall tells a story of tradition, skills, and creativity that has been passed down through generation. And of course, how can we forget the food? The food court here are a paradise. You can taste spicy chaat from Uttar Pradesh, liti chokha from Bihar, makki di roti and sarson da saag from Punjab, and even authentic Kashmiri khawa. It is like taking a food trip across India without leaving one place. What makes Saras Mela so special is that it brings together rural artisans, small scale entrepreneurs, and self help groups from across the country, giving them a platform to showcase their art and culture to the world. It's truly a celebration of India's diversity and unity. In this video, I'm going to take you on a full tour of the Mela, from the colorful handicraft stalls to the delicious food court and every cultural corner in between. So stay tuned till the end because by the time we are done, you will feel like you have experienced the whole of India right here at Saras Mela in 2025.
और सरस मेले में आपका स्वागत है मेरे आका। यस
So guys, I've just reached Saras Mela 2025 here at PAU Ludhiana. The energy here is already amazing. I bought my entry ticket, just 20 rupees to entry. So as soon as you enter the Mela, you will see rows and rows of beautiful stalls, each one full of creativity and culture. Just look at this amazing handmade murti, so detailed and perfectly crafted. You can really feel the hard work and devotion behind every piece. And right next to them, there are stalls showcasing incredible wooden work, chairs, jhulas, beds, even stylish sofa, all made with traditional craftsmanship. I actually sat on one of these wooden sofa and trust me, it's super comfortable and totally worth the price. What I love is the most is how everything is here is handmade, not factory made. So every item feels unique and special. You can see the passion in the artisan eye when they talk about their work. It is not just shopping, it is like connecting with India's living art. Look at this man is literally balancing himself on a long stick. Just look at the control and confidence he has. These kind of traditional street performances are what makes the Saras Mela so full of life and energy. Just look at these beautiful handmade wooden flower pots. The detailing is incredible. Each one has its own unique design and carving style. Sardar ji completely stole the show. His energy is just amazing. He is dancing with so much joy and spirit. Check out these carpet. They are so light, soft, and super comfortable. You can really feel the quality and craftsmanship. Perfect for any home and easy to carry too. Look at these beautiful handmade flowers. The detailing is just amazing. I just received blessing from this beautiful Shivji Murti. It's truly stunning. I love the flowering water feature with small motor. It adds such a peaceful and mesmerizing touch. Perfectly made. Check out this wooden sofa. The craftsmanship and finish are simply amazing. I even sat on it to feel the comfort, and after little negotiation, the seller agreed to give it to me for 28,000 rupees. Honestly, it's totally worth it. Such quality and design are hard to find anywhere else. Look at these cute and colorful key rings, fun toys, and unique mobile cover. Everything is so charming. Each item is handmade with attention to detail, making them perfect little souvenir to take home. A tall person just sprayed this handmade scent roses, and the fragrance is amazing.
ये की हिसाब किताब है ਇਹਦਾ
ये 800 रुपये किलो
800 रुपए किलो
मिक्स फ्रूट है इसमें 12-13
Saras Mela is truly a celebration of India's incredible diversity. From crafts to cuisine, every state is beautifully represented here. Walking through the Mela feels like traveling across the country, experiencing the unique culture, colors, and tradition of every corner of India. Being here at Saras Mela makes me really proud of India's vast diversity. It is true example of unity in diversity. If you feel the same, drop a comment below saying I love India's diversity and unity and share the pride with everyone. Just look at these beautiful handmade sarees. Each one is full of vibrant color and intricate design. दिल से चुना हाथों से बुना, what a good message they are conveying. Look at these stunning loins and other sculpture made entirely from marble. The craftsmanship is just incredible. They have transformed solid stone into such beautiful, detailed, and decorative piece. Truly a work of art. I must say, whether you buy it or not, it's up to you. But whenever you see such creativity, you should definitely appreciate it. It's amazing to witness the hard work and passion that brings these crafts to life. The skills and dedication of the artisan is truly inspiring.
वीडियो बना
ਉਹ ਵੀਰ ਨਾਲ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਵਿਆਹੂੰ ਸਾਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਛੋਟੇ ਵੀਰ ਨਾਲ
ਰੱਬ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੀਜਾ ਕਦੋਂ ਪ੍ਰੀਤੀਆ ਮਿਲਾਵੇ ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਪਕੌੜੇ ਪੋਹੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੱਟਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੱਟਦੇ ਭਵਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਖੀ ਪੋਹੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੱਟਦੇ
Finally, we reached the ride area. It's full of amazing swings, jula, and fun rides. While my colleague is a bit nervous, I love hopping on this ride. It's always such a thrill and makes the Mela experience even more exciting. My friend decided to try the ring game where you throw a ring and if it lands perfectly on the item, you win that item. We spent 100 rupees for 13 ring, but none of us succeeded. Even I watching others failing in this game, I feel like they've perfected the calculation to make it really challenging. We tried our best, but we are not able to succeed in any throw. Next, we tried our luck at the shooting game, and well, we failed again. Look at this guy having so much fun in front of the camera. He say he is the one who runs this Chandol Jula. We tried the Panisai milk and wow, it's so refreshing and full of energy. Perfect for quick boost while walking around the Mela and enjoying all the fun. This is the old game from our childhood. The person runs and jumps with amazing skill. Seeing it again here bring back so many fun memories. Looking at all these rides, we are having so much fun. And now I'm a family person having two kids. I realize everyone has a childhood memory. We used to watch our parents carefully and manage our expense according to their pocket. I hope you are enjoying the Mela with me so far. I've tried to cover almost all the interesting stalls. If you are having fun, let me know in the comment and don't forget to share your excitement with others too. Check out these colorful handmade dolls from Rajasthan. Each one is so vibrant and full of character. Look at this man playing a flute instrument, such soothing and pleasant tones. He truly brings our old tradition to life, and I loved it. आप लोगों का भाई कब होता है, कितने बजे होता है?
हाँ होगा प्रोग्राम शुरू होने वाला ही है।
अच्छा, अगर देखा है
5-6 बजे तक यही रहता है।
5-6 बजे।
हम हैं हम
जंगलों से आए हो
आओ मेरे आका।
इधर इधर इधर
हम हाजिर है मेरे आका।
इधर इधर।
आओ और सरस मेले में आपका स्वागत है मेरे आका। ये को धारा मेले में माल खा जाऊं सारा मेरे आका। झिंगा लाला ज्यादा वीडियो मत बनाओ मेरे आका। मैं आपके मोबाइल के अंदर
मेरे न मार दी। Check out this handmade bow and arrow, carefully crafted from teak wood, sagwan. The skill is impressive. Moments like this remind me why Saras Mela is so special. It preserves India's rich heritage, connect us to our roots and celebrate the creativity of artisans from all corners of our country. If you are in Ludhiana or nearby, do visit Saras Mela with your family. It's a wonderful experience for everyone, especially for kids. It's a great chance to see India's vibrant diversity and enjoy all the fun and attraction of the Mela. I purchased this handmade towel from a talented woman from Tamil Nadu. It's so soft and high quality. It's amazing to see such a beautiful craftsman and feel the care that goes into every piece. After a long day exploring the Mela, we are finally feeling tired and hungry, so we headed straight into the food court to enjoy some delicious treats from all over India. There are so many food stalls representing different states of India, each with their own specialities. We could not try everything, but we sampled a few really interesting ones. First, we tried the classic vada pav from Maharashtra, crispy, spicy, and absolutely satisfying. Then we moved to Punjabi stall for the famous sarson da saag with makki di roti. We tried a little. It is rich, flavorful, and truly captured the heart of Punjabi cuisine. Next, we stopped at Bihar stall for Litti Chokha. The smokiness and traditional taste brought back memories of authentic home cooked food. We also explored the Hyderabadi stalls offering chicken and mutton. The spices and aroma were irresistible. Of course, we could not miss Rajasthani dal bati churma. The crispy bati, flavorful dal, and sweet churma were just perfect. I highly recommend trying this if you visit here. To finish off, we had a refreshing lassi from Vrindavan, creamy, sweet, and the perfect way to cool down after all the rich flavors. Walking through the food court, I realize how incredible it is that you can taste the flavor of India all in one place, north, south, east, west. It's not just food, it's a celebration of India's diversity and culture. I really enjoyed exploring these stalls and tasting the food. If you ever come to Saras Mela, don't miss the Rajasthani dish. They are my personal favorite. So that's quick tour of food court. Hope you enjoyed it all as much as I did. Keep exploring, enjoying the flavor, and celebrate the diversity of our amazing country. So that's all for today's tour of the Saras Mela. I hope you enjoyed exploring the Mela. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friend, and tell me in the comment which dish you would love to try. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep exploring, and keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.